Every AI swap has the same tell. The motion looks great. Then you look at the face, and it's plastic, soft, fake. That one thing is what screamed AI for the last 2 years. Kling 3.0's motion control is the first one that actually fixes it. It grabs every move from a reference clip. Pans, zooms, a subtle head turn, stamps it onto a still image, keeps the audio, and holds the face together while it does it. I ran 3 real tests on it, and in the first one, there's a hidden setting that quietly wrecks your render if you click it wrong. Let's get into it. 2 ways in. Kling's own site runs on a free account. 66 credits a day, refilled daily, enough for a couple of solid tests. Or load it through Higgsfield if you want cheaper per second pricing. The flow's the same either way. Pick the 3.0 model from the dropdown. Open motion control. Drop your reference clip. Drop your still image. That's it. Setup's the boring part. The tests are where it gets fun. First reference clip. A woman throwing full karate combos. Fast strikes. Full spins. Camera tracking her the whole time. My still image? A warrior on a mountain. Different pose, different angle, different everything. This is where the hidden setting shows up. Leave it on the default. Here's why. The default forces your still to start in the exact pose of the reference clip. So even if your warrior's facing forward and the clip starts sideways, Kling just rotates him for you. That used to be the hardest part of this whole workflow. Locking the starting pose in mid-journey or Nano banana before you even hit render. Kling kills that step. I flipped to the other option just to see. Jittery render, lost the camera track. Default wins, don't touch it. Couple of small catches. In 3.0, both files needed exactly one person, and the framing had to roughly match. Full body clip with a full body still. The closer the framing, the cleaner the render. Motions handled. But what about sound? And the face? I grabbed a clip from one of my own courses. Me, green screen, teaching chroma keying, 1 screenshot, opened Nano Banana Pro, made 2 versions. Me, in a tux with a studio background, and Snoop Dogg replacing me completely. Both kept the audio, voice, lip sync. Even the throat clear made it through clean. Most tools strip the audio out. Kling keeps it locked, but the real win is the skin. Runway Act-Two turns faces into plastic. That AI softened look you clock in a second. Kling 3.0 holds the texture. Pores, shadows, micro detail, all there. That's the difference between cool demo and I could actually publish this. Quick tip, generate your character image at 4K. Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield does it natively. More detail in, more realism out. 2 clean wins. Last test pushed it harder than I probably should have. A dance clip, but I didn't just swap the dancer. I rewrote the whole scene. Nano Banana Pro dropped a crowd onto the street and gave her a new costume. Then in Kling, I added one line. People cheering her on as she dances. Dress movement, stunning. Crowd reacted on beat. And the face? This is exactly where 2.6 used to crack. On 3.0, it holds up way better. Face consistency is the whole point of this version. You have to stack complex motion, a scene change, and a busy prompt before you see any drift at all. Way more headroom than before. Real talk though, hands are still the weak spot, like every model, and push all 3 of those at max and you'll still find an edge. But the face isn't the first thing to break anymore. That's new. Quick one before the verdict. What would you drop yourself into first? Beach, Lambo, Met Gala stage? Tell me in the comments. Whatever wins, I'm filming next. 3 rules, that's the whole playbook. 1, match your still to your reference clip. Full body to full body. 2, leave the orientation toggle on default, always. 3, generate your character images at 4K for human swaps. Honest take, hands still glitch under heavy prompts and the free plan caps you at 720p with a watermark. Fine for TikTok. You'll want a paid tier for client work or 4K. But the plastic face problem that killed every swap before this, gone. Against Runway Act-Two or Vdo on human content? Not close. Right now, Kling 3.0 owns this lane. I put the big 3 head-to-head last month. That video's right there. See you in that one.